Well, hello, Graybeards family. Wayne here. I got another customer complaint, if you will, here on the old homestead. A friend of mine, you all know, is Bug, has this lawnmower that he couldn't, for some reason, just quit running on him. Wasn't able to figure it out. He put a battery, a starter, a whole mess of things, and he finally broke down and brought it to me. So we'll see if it is all done. What's that? Starts right up. Does what it's supposed to do. Yeah. Let's see if we'll see if the PTO starts. Yep, does a little clicking, shuts off. It's a good little machine. He said it for quite some time. I'll turn it around here. And it's a hot one down here in South Carolina. I don't know what the temperature is, but it's like, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm sweaty. But so this is a Dixie Chopper. I'll turn around here so you get a look at it. The Dixie Chopper, 2550. Runs pretty good. I'm not a big fan of the Kawasaki motor, but they do their job. I did a little services on it for them. But yeah. Let me know what you think in the comments down there. You think it's worth keeping? He's thinking about getting rid of it. I told him he should keep it, but that's his call, you know. But let me know what you think. So that's it for now. And Penny wants to say hi. Can you say hi? He's like, it's too hot, Dad. All right. Take care, everyone, and God bless. Let's take one last look. Oh yeah. There you go. Bye for now.